Now we are hearing that according to sources, the BJP has decided not to be a signatory to the no confidence proposal as they don't want to be seen as anti-Telangana. Instead, they will be adopting a wait and watch policy over the developments in Parliament over the issue. So while on the one hand, there are YSR Congress MPs as well as TDP who want to move a no confidence motion against the government, the BJP has decided to stay away from the issue for the time being. They want to adopt a wait and watch policy over it. They do not want to join hands at the moment with the TDP or YSR Congress and be seen as anti-Telangana. Instead, they want to wait and watch as to how things develop in Parliament over the issue over the next few days. So clearly BJP making its point absolutely clear. They do not want to be perceived as those who have been opposing Telangana because their point has always been that there should be smaller states, it leads to more development, and therefore they cannot be seen at this point once a decision has been taken to carve out Telangana from Andhra Pradesh as a party that is opposed to it. This could also harm their political prospects. So what they are doing at this point in time is trying to stay away from the no confidence motion that TDP and YSR Congress are mulling at the moment. In fact, Congress MPs too have embarrassed the government by joining hands with them, some of them of course over there, and the government in a spot. However, the BJP seems at this moment not willing to join issues with TDP, YSR Congress. Kartikeya Sharma, political editor, is now joining us with more details. Kartikeya, will this move by the BJP to stay away from the issue now save government some sort of embarrassment in Parliament, which is already surrounded by so many issues at the moment?
You see, Maha, there's a commitment that Bharatiya Janata Party has made on the issue of Telangana. So I don't think they're going to support the no confidence motion moved by the Simandhra MPs. But what it does is that, one, it shows that the Congress party is completely split in Andhra Pradesh. Secondly, it goes on to show how embarrassing the situation for them has become in Lok Sabha, Maha. And third, it sort of creates a buffer for these Andhra MPs in their constituency, saying that they have done their bit to protest. Now, the issue here is that the Parliament has become non-functional, Maha, from past 2 or 3 days, as we have seen. Not a single sitting has taken place. Every day, Parliament is getting adjourned at 11 on various issues. Today, you would be surprised to know, Maha, that the Parliament got adjourned on the issue on why Indian military is training Sri Lankan Navy and Muzaffarnagar riots, and Samajwadi Party MPs and all the Tamil political parties were there, whereas BJP and Congress was completely quiet.
Kartikeya, many thanks for joining us with those details. So as of now, the BJP has distanced itself from what the Simandhra MPs have been demanding at the moment. The BJP perhaps stepping out of that issue and saving the government at least some sort of embarrassment, although it's already been embarrassed by its own MPs. Kartikeya Sharma there giving us all the details.